Inside each one of us is two different beasts, and each one is hungry. Each one wants feeding. Both are powerful. Both are ready to devour the other one. One is good and one is evil, and it's up to you which one gets fed. In the evil one, you find anger, envy, sorrow, regret, and greed. You find arrogance, self-pity, guilt, resentment, inferiority, lies, false pride, superiority, and ego. And in the good one, you find joy, peace, love, and hope. You find serenity, humility, kindness, benevolence, empathy, generosity, truth, compassion, and faith. They walk around inside us like two wolves, ready to feed on what's inside us. And the more you feed one, the stronger it gets, the more it rules your life. In your life, you have a choice. You can choose to look at the negative, feed that evil wolf, and the more you feed it, the more it will rule your life. All you will see is the negative, and it will consume you. If, on the other hand, you choose to see the positive and feed that good wolf, let it feast on your positive attitude, then you'll see more and more great things happening in your life. Your good wolf will bring abundance. How you think is how you will become. What you believe will help or hinder you. When you catch yourself thinking negative thoughts, change that thought as quickly as you can. Switch it to a positive thought. Believe that all will go your way. It is up to you. Which wolf are you going to feed?